Hello, welcome to your Berewick real estate market update for July 2020. Now for July, we're going to look at June numbers, but before we jump into the data, I want to introduce myself. My name is Sir Ashley. I am a Berewick resident and a real estate agent and a real estate investor. I've been practicing real estate for a little over 10 years, and if you have any questions that I do not address, please feel free to shoot me a message directly, a text, an email, or just leave a comment on this video. I will happily get back to you. Let's jump into the numbers. Now, for June 2020, there was actually 14 home sales right here in Berewick. Now, 14 home sales is absolutely amazing when you compare it to the home sales for the last couple months. You see, in May, there was only 6 homes that sold in Berewick. And in April, only 10 homes sold in Berewick. Now, the 14 home sales actually beats the number for June 2019, which was a very hot month and a hot year. June 2019, there was 13 homes that sold right here in our community. So even with everything going on in the economic upheaval, we surpassed those numbers. And I am happy to report there were 2 home sales, 2, here in our community that surpassed $400,000. Now, both of those homes had a private pool, but they both sold for $415, or right around $415. A deeper look into the numbers, we currently have 5 homes available on the market that are active and not under contract, and you have 17 homes under contract that will be sold either later in July or early August. Now, a little bit further dive into the numbers, you had an average home sale price of just under $335,000. That is just about even compared to last month, where you had just about $1,000 difference in the average home sale price right here in our community. So the fact that it's remaining consistent and constant and steady is a good thing. Reason why it's a good thing, while the numbers may have decreased a little bit in the last month, it's up 7% from this time last year. You see, in June 2020, the average sales price was $313,000. So in the past year, our homes have been able to generate over $20,000 more money per sale. And the days on market is only 12. And that's a huge difference from last year this time when the days on market was 34. Now, 34 days on market is still low. 12 days on market is ridiculously low. So what that tells us is that if your home is priced properly, you will get interest and you will receive offers on your home. Alright, so that does it for the Berewick market update. But if you stick around, I'm going to go over some questions that I've been receiving from both buyers in our community and sellers in our community. As we transition over to that, please be sure to like this video and share it with any friends, family, and neighbors. So I appreciate all the questions and comments I receive, both directly to me or on the video. Please keep them coming. But this is a question I get a lot from home sellers right now in our community. Is now a good time to sell, seeing that home prices are at an all-time high? And my quick answer to that question is yes. It is a great time to sell because there's certainty. We know what the market is doing based on the trends. So how I approach it is you want to sell when you know exactly what's going on. You don't want to sell when you're unsure of the market and you're wondering if there's going to be a huge decline or a drop off in the market. You don't want to sell under those conditions. If you want to sell or if you need to sell, now is the time to do it because we know the market is at an all-time high. Now, the flip side of that, the question I get, is now a good time to buy a home? You see, many times people that are selling a property are often buying a property. And with the interest rates where they are right now, there are a lot of first-time home buyers on the market looking to buy. So this is for you. Yes, now is a very good time to buy. Yes, property prices are a little higher and they're creeping up month after month, but that is offset with the interest rates being historically low. What took place in the last week of June should be very encouraging to buyers because mortgage interest rates hit an all-time 30-year fixed low. meaning at no other time in history has mortgage rates been this low. So yes, it is a good time to buy because you can get money for cheap. What you'll be paying for the greater purchase price will be offset in your monthly mortgage payment because of the lower interest rate. So take advantage of that. And if you're selling and buying, you get to win twice, meaning you get to sell when the market is at an all-time high, you get to pull that equity out, and then you can either put that money toward a down payment for your new home, but regardless if you use all those funds or not, you still are able to capitalize on historic lows regarding interest rates. The next question I received is a pretty specific question because there's not a lot of ranch style homes here in Berewick, but I received it from one of our residents and our neighbors here in the community. They were wondering if they could sell their ranch style home or one-story home right here in our community. And the short answer is most definitely. You can sell that home. Ranch style homes are some of the most desirable homes because they attract a large array of buyers. You have the older buyer who does not want to deal with going up or down stairs. Your ranch style home suits their needs. And then you have the buyer with the young child who does not want to chase their child up or down the stairs or have to worry about their child falling down or up the stairs. Yes, I was a child that fell up the stairs as a kid. But answer your question, there's a huge market and demand for one-story homes. As long as it is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, you will not have a problem selling it quickly and for top dollar. That does it for the Berewick real estate market update for July 2020. Again, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to message me directly or leave a comment in this video. If you haven't already, please like this video and share it with friends, families, and neighbors. Please be safe out there. Enjoy this weather. Enjoy your family, but be safe so we can hurry up past this pandemic. And I'm not trying to go backwards into complete quarantine. I'm smiling because it was painful. But I hope this was helpful, and talk soon.